Hey, we just finished cleaning with the Novus 2 and 3, and it does a really good job of getting the most of the surface dirt. There is some ground in stuff. A lot of times you'll see them make little squirrelies or squigglies on your playfield. Now we're going to talk about the secret ingredients. So secret ingredients time. A couple products that I want to highly recommend. The first one is called Moss. MAAS. You can order this from moss.com. So go to their website and check it out. This cleans metals and things. I'll demonstrate on the door or something here in a minute, but this cleans metals and stuff really good. And it's very concentrated, so it only takes just a little bit. The second one, many of you guys are familiar with. Some of you housewives are familiar with. For those of you who don't know, this is called Magic Eraser, and it's made by Mr. Clean. You can get it at any grocery store, Walmart, Dollar General, etc. Usually comes in a 2-pack, costs about $4 for a 2-pack. So try the Magic Eraser on those hard places. And all you're going to do is dip it in a little bit of water, and it looks like an eraser or like a sponge. And then you're going to really get down into those places where it swirlies. Now, granted, some of this is never going to come up without taking some of the paint off, but this will get a really pretty good portion of it. And all you're doing is just scrubbing. Lots of elbow grease, you know. Some of this stuff is not going to come up by itself, but as you can see, it's starting to come up. And this will get a lot of those hard to reach places. Don't stay in one area for too long. If you'll notice, eventually some of the paint will start to come up. So if you want to protect your playfield, better have a little dirt than a bare piece of wood. So keep that in mind. We're just going to keep cleaning here, and we'll come back. We're going to clean some of this metal, just to give you an idea here. Just a little bit, so it's very concentrated. Then just take a clean part of your towel and rub this in. Really scrub it good. Of course, you can use a scrubber or something a little bit better. It'll leave kind of a haze. And what you do, the more I scrub this, the cleaner and more it's going to shine. Then you can come back, you can see the dirt off of there. You come back with a clean part of the towel and go back over that. I don't know if you guys can see this really good right here where we cleaned it. Maybe you can show a shot from that side compared to that side. Anyway, as you can see, the dirt's coming right off of that metal. You can use this on the sides of the game, and just like new. Okay, now that we've cleaned it, we've used Novus 3, Novus 2, we used a glass cleaner. We even used a little bit of like 409 in a couple areas. Then we come back with a Magic Eraser and really got down in some of those grimy places. Cleaned it all again. Now we're ready to put a coat of wax on it. And a good carnauba wax will work just fine, a paste wax. And all you're going to do is just like you're waxing your car, you're going to wax on and wax off. There you go. Wax on, wax off. You want to put a good layer all over and let it dry. Remember, wax needs to harden, and then once it's hardened, you can come back and buff it out. So we're going to just put it on right now. Well, now comes a very important step. Maybe the most important step a lot of people leave out. Make sure and clean your balls. That's right. We don't want any dirty balls. No nasty balls. Please, clean your balls. Obviously, the balls are what spread the dirt around on the playfield, so whatever you use some Novus or just some cleaner or some polish. The moss works good because it's metal, so just make sure and clean them really good. Scrub them now. No dirty balls. Alright, now that your balls are good and clean, get out your rubbers. The playfield rubbers, that is. So they come in a kit, so make sure you can buy them individually, but it's so much easier. Again, we got these from Pinball Resource, pinballresource.com. And it'll come with everything we need. So now, usually I start off with the flippers, and we'll put new flippers on there. You can also get these in a lot of different colors in case you don't like. I just usually use the one they recommend. But anyway, next step, we're just going to replace all those that we took off. We talked earlier about propping up the playfield. There are a few lights and things that I need to double check. Also, we can get to the drop targets and clean them. They're pushed down. It's easier to clean them when they're pushed down, because when you try to clean them when they're pushed up, they'll push down. But anyway, all we got to do is prop this up. Like I said, it's kind of like your car or an old car, and that'll hold it so that you can do your repairs. Also, I'm going to put a new tip on the plunger that you hit the ball with. That's a good time while you're doing the rubber ring kit. Most of them will come with it, to go ahead and put a new tip on there. Well, that wraps it up. We're all through cleaning and shopping out this pinball game. So we want to thank you for watching today. By all means, if you have any questions or comments, please email or give us a call.